Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making roasted tomatillos. For this recipe, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So we need tomatillos, so those are not tomatoes, they're tomatillos, they're totally different fruit, and I peeled and washed them before making the video. So you need to remove the husk and wash them under running water until the sticky film is removed. So now they're ready, and I'm going to put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So you can roast them whole, super easy, very easy recipe. And then I'm going to drizzle them with some olive oil. And you can also rub it so they're actually coated in oil. It really helps it to develop this deep roasted flavor. And now I'm going to sprinkle in with some salt and pepper. And you can add other seasonings if you want. You know, another suggestion would be garlic powder. So we'll just keep it simple, some salt and pepper. And now they're ready for roasting, so let's put them in the oven. So again, it was preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's roast them until they're ready. So now the tomatillos have been roasting for 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. Look at that. So their skin is charred and they're soft, perfect roasted tomatillos, and it's so easy. The oven does all the work. And they're very healthy and delicious. So let's take them off the baking sheet. Perfect. So soft, perfectly roasted. And now let's try them. I'm so excited about trying them. So see, they're very tender. So you can just have them on the side as a side dish, or you can turn them into salsa. It's a very popular recipe to make with roasted tomatillos. Totally up to you. This is a great side as is. Let's try it. So good. Roasting brings such deep flavor out of tomatillos. They're so delicious. And if you've never tried them, they taste a little bit like tomatoes, but they're more acidic, and that flavors, it's different. So I can see the similarity with tomatoes, but they're not tomatoes. Please do try them. They're so good and healthy. Good for you, easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!